Alright students, good afternoon. Let's continue to do our math class. Right, how are you this afternoon? Right, did you do your homework? Yes, I asked you to do page 250, right? Okay, now we will do 250 and the lessons that we're going to learn today is how to find the factors, right? The common factors and the greatest common factors, right? So in your book, page 250, number 1, you have to look at number 1, you have 10 and 14, right? So we have to find the factors of 10 and 14. So to do that, you have to organize by making a chart, right? So you have to make a chart. First, you have to write 10 here and 14. Okay, this is how to organize so that you can easily find the common factors. Okay, so you have to think, to find the factors, you have to think numbers that when you multiply, you can have the product of 10, right? So let's start from 1. So if you multiply 1 times 10, then you can have 10, right? And then 2 times 5, okay, you can have also 10. So you have to write here 5 first and then 10, okay? So it means when you multiply 2 times 1 times 10 is 10, 2 times 5 is 10. Then again, 1 times 10 is 10. So that is how to get the factors. And another number is 14. So again, you have to think number that when you multiply them, you can have the product 14. So you have 1, 2, what else? To make it 14, you have 7 and 14. Yes, so this is how to make a list to get the factors. Now you have to find the common factors, right? Because we need to write the greatest common factors, so we have to circle the numbers that both of them has. Alright, so you have now 1 and 2. You have to choose which one is the big number. Then that is 2. So your greatest common factor is 2. Yes, so let's go to number 2. Okay, number 2 you have there. So we have 3 numbers in number 2. You have 36, 18, and 9. Alright, so we have to find the factors of these 3 numbers. So how many lines do you have here? You have 2 lines, right? So first you have to write 36, 18, and 9. Okay, to find the factors of 9, you have to start 1, yes, 2, and then 3, yes. Okay, say yes. And then you have 4, yes. If you multiply 4 times 9 is 36. Then we have 6, because 6 times 6 is 36. And then we have 9. 9 times 4 is 36. What else? We have 12, right? So 12 is 3 times 12 is 36. And what else? We have 18. And then the last one is 36. Yes. Alright. And how about 18? You have 1. And what else? You have 2. You have 3. And multiply 3 times 6 is 18, right? So you have here, how about 4? 4 can be what number? When you multiply 4, you get 18. No, right? So you have 6 here, because when you multiply 6 times 3 is 18. And then we have 9. 2 times 9 is 18. And then we have now 18, right? So that's correct. Okay, next we have 9, right? So 9 is very easy. As you know that 9 is prime number, right? So you have to write 1, 3, and 9. So now this time you have to find their common factor. So you have 1 here, and 2, there's no 2 here. 3, yes, they have 3 here, 1 and 3, and of course they have also 9, right? So you have to list, you have 1, 3, 9, but the greatest common factor is 9. So the answer here is 9. Okay, so number 2, the greatest common factor is 9. Okay, so any questions? Now you can do your exercise by yourself, alright? So if you have questions, you can send message to me, or you can look at our Google Classroom and send your question to me there, alright? Okay, see you in the next class. Bye.